If you want to keep houseplants in fall season, not to kill them, come with me please. Welcome to Green Plant Guide. In this video, I'm going to talk about common houseplant care guide for fall season. If you move any of your plants outside for the summer, it's about time to bring them back indoors. Most of the time, it's best to do that before temperature dip below 55 degrees Fahrenheit at night and place them away from drafty area. Houseplants hate drafty area and extreme cold can kill them. Indoor plants are very sensitive to temperature changes. Most common type of indoor plants come from tropical or arid climate where it's warm year-round and they can't handle the cold. The ideal temperature for them to thrive is between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to remember that plants are living creatures. If they could talk, they would ask for warm stuff in cold season.
Could someone get me a coat? I'm freaking freezing.
Next to a fireplace or air conditioner, near an exterior door and drafty window are lethal environment. If you notice your indoor plant is struggling, move it to a new spot where it's protected from draft. It's a simple fix to a very common problem in fall. Before they move, carefully check your plants for pests. They might have to come outside. If you have a garden hose, give them a thorough shower and once dry, spray their leaves with diluted neem oil or similar. In the spring and summer, the day gets longer. The plant absorbs more sunlight, so it uses that sun's energy along with carbon dioxide and water to produce carbohydrate. Now, once plants get closer to fall, the days get shorter. Obviously, the sun setting decreases sunlight. In this case, you should pay attention to something. Less light means less water. Cut back on watering through the fall and winter season. By checking the soil, you can identify if your plant needs more or less water. Give your houseplant the essential light and water to sustain them through cold season. In the fall, the angle of the sun is changing. Some of your indoor plants might need to sit in a new place to get a comparable amount of sunlight as they did in the spring and summer. You might want to group your succulent together on the windowsill rather than on your coffee table, for example. Rotating your plants once a week helps to ensure all sides are covered. If your home is lacking natural sunlight, especially during the colder months, don't worry. You can always add a grow light to keep your plants thriving, no matter the time of year. Pay attention to sunlight to absorb more light. It's better to pay more attention to the cleanliness of the leaves. In fall and winter, houseplants will require fewer nutrients, as most houseplants are not growing during this time, so feeding isn't necessary. Anyway, you can feed every forced watering liquid, which is a great option. Your houseplants are getting less light and growing more slowly in fall season. Some may even go dormant or semi-dormant. By early fall, you should have finished repotting and trimming. Fall is a great time to tap into your interior designer. Always dream of installing floating shelves, hanging baskets, or ceiling hooks. Now is the time. Do it yourself and enjoy gardening. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next Green Plant Guide video.